So here's the reasons why interpretation questions are often answered badly in FR exams. The first one, you're not showing your workings for your ratios. So if you get part of the ratio wrong, it's all wrong. Whereas otherwise, if you got part of the ratio wrong, the examiner would have been able to give you half marks or whatever. There's no explanations given of the movements in the ratios, and there's no use of the scenario. What I want to focus on in this one really though is the no ratios working, and I'll touch on the other two a little bit. Now the good news is the ACCA have helped you out in some of the questions. You will now get response that looks like this. Usually the table's already filled out, and look, there's a little column there for your workings. This is on most interpretation questions, not all. So you put your workings in there, and then your final answers go in there. So you have to delete the to be calculated and put in your final answer based upon your workings. Now, one word of warning, everything in that table is deletable. So if you did delete the sector average per question, which would be annoying, you might start panicking. Don't worry, everything in that response is available in the scenario as well. Okay, so you don't have to worry if you do delete something accidentally. So you've done your working, you've got your final answer, you then compare the difference to the sector average. Okay, so whatever it was we calculated compared to the sector average, and then the sort of things that you're looking for is there an obvious reason for this difference? What would the director's response to be to resolve this difference? What other ratio impact or effect might it have because of this? But I'll get into that in a bit more detail later.